Hello you guys, today I'm gonna be trying the WaveTech bundle. So if you guys don't know, a couple of weeks ago I woke up at like 6 a.m. to my phone completely blowing up, and I received all these messages saying, oh my gosh, Brad just made a video about you. I just found you on Brad Mondel's video. Go check out Brad's new video. Oh my gosh, like my jaw dropped. I went through the comments, I was like, holy shit, I was scared to death, okay? There were so many things going through my mind, like, what? Why did he make a video about me? How did he even find me? So I headed straight to his channel, and of course, it was the wolf cut video, which was literally filmed in my brother's house in the middle of the night. I only had access to the kitchen, and girl, I literally used the scissors that was on the kitchen table, and I went into the bathroom and I filmed the entire thing there. And of course, that had to be the video that literally the whole world is gonna be seeing. But if you guys haven't seen it yet, you should check that out. And Brad and his team, thank you guys so much for featuring me in your video. Kid you not, I was shaking watching his video. I was so scared of what he was gonna say, but then when I got through it, I felt so appreciated. I'm so grateful. And after that whole thing, his team reached out and they were so sweet enough to send his entire WaveTech collection, which comes in this box. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't tried any of these products yet, so we're gonna try it today for the first time on camera. And I'm just gonna unbox this right in front of you guys right now. I love the packaging so much. This is so up my alley, like with the retro fonts and the neons and everything. It's so bold, so cool. It comes with this card, really cool stickers, and of course the products. There's a shampoo, the WaveTech Wave Shampoo, the WaveTech Wave Conditioner, the Hydrating Wave Cream, which I think I'm the most excited about, the WaveTech Wave Foam, damn, a Wave Revival Mist as well. I've used a couple of curl creams before. I've tried Cantu, Shea Butter, Bumble and Bumble. They've given me pretty much similar results, but the interesting thing is these are marketed as wave products, like, you know, not exactly curly hair, which is interesting because I've only tried products and I've only seen products mainly for curly hair, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan of because my hair isn't that coily or curly, so I feel like it really just weighs down my hair and then I just end up losing the volume. So, you know, they're like a little bit difficult for me to work with, so this is gonna be interesting since it's like a wavy, WaveTech, whatever. I'm hoping they're probably lighter. So I'm quickly gonna shampoo and condition my hair using the WaveTech Wave Shampoo and the WaveTech Wave Conditioner, and it says I can leave the conditioner on my hair, on my damp hair, for up to 5 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do, and maybe I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. Let's go now. I'm literally in my bathroom right now, just massaging the shampoo onto my scalp using a shampoo brush and then just rinsing it off and then going in with the conditioner and running it well through the ends of my hair and just washing it all off after 4 or 5 minutes. Hey guys, we are back and our hair is freshly shampooed and conditioned using the WaveTech shampoo and conditioner. Now we'll finally get to use this product, which I'm most excited about. It's the WaveTech Hydrating Wave Cream. I'm just gonna like pump out a little bit, maybe okay, like 3 squirts. The smells are so good, and then just drag it down through the ends of my hair. Just want to make sure the hair is evenly coated through the product, and then I'm gonna be doing my usual scrunching like how I do. I think I'm gonna do just a little bit more because I love how this smells. I can already tell that it's a lot lighter than the curly hair product creams that I've used before. Okay, so in one of Brad's videos, he uses the WaveTech Wave Foam after the wave cream. So I'm just gonna do what he does. He squirts it out like that. Oh my god, that looks so satisfying. Then I'm gonna like brush it the way he does through the hair. I smell like a spa, you guys. Oh, he uses a lot. I'm just gonna keep scrunching. Ooh, I can already see like these really pretty beachy waves starting to form. Just to help my hair dry faster, I like using a microfiber cloth or a towel. It kind of absorbs all the extra moisture or water without making my hair too frizzy. I think I'm just gonna like keep scrunching at regular intervals while I let it air dry, because this has gotten boring. Gonna go about my day and do some other stuff. I'll be back when my hair completely dries to show you guys the finished results. Oh my gosh, you guys, are you guys seeing this? My hair is like 80% dry. This is insane. It looks like I've used a curler. Look at that. I mean, are you guys seeing these? Look at that. Yeah, I love the products. Seriously, thank you to Brad's team so much for sending them to me. They worked so well on my hair. I love the result. Yeah, this video was so fun to film. Thank you guys again. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my socials, and everything will be in the description. You know the drill. And I'll see you guys in the next video.